Hey everyone, Christina Ray here. I wanted to go through the process that I used to create my FlexTime team that you see now exists yonder. A little bit of trial and error and some testing, and I'm pretty sure it works. So I wanted to walk you through how to do that in case you wanted to use the exact same process. So what I did was I first went to my teams and I hit join or create a team. I said I wanted to create a team, and I said other, clubs, study group, after school activities, because truly, that's what we got going on here. I'm just going to call this Test Flex because I already have my own. And then you can type a description in here, anything like this is where you will join. I think I told mine in my description that they would come in for flex time. They were welcome to leave the team after their flex time was done. So whatever description works for you, totally up to you. And then here was the kicker. Instead of saying that only I could add members, which would have been a ton of work, if we do that, then we have to go into our flex list and manually add every student, and that sounds like a nightmare. I said public. Anyone in our organization can join. So that means anyone in FCUSD would be able to join. I then say a next, which creates the team. All right, I'm not going to add members because I'm going to let students sign themselves up here. So I'm going to follow the same process as a regular class. So I'm going to say flex time meeting, and this would be my channel. It is accessible to everybody who's on the team. I'm also going to mark that I want it to automatically show up for all of the students who come into my flex time. Boop-a-da-boop. I'm actually not sure if it makes a difference if channel moderation is off or on here. Just to be safe, I'm going to turn it on. Just in case, because that's what I had in my test one. I'm not sure if it actually makes a difference. I'll probably test that out and see, and then I'll get back to y'all in an email and let you know. The next thing I'm going to want to do is go in here and get the link to my channel. This bad boy. So you may notice then if you go to put this link into, say, FlexiSketch, it's huge. Like the link is bonkers long. So I'll show you what this would look like by showing you my own little flex duder from today. All right, so here's what this link, oh Lord, here's what this link would look like. So I did my description and then I put in the link, and that's what I initially did, and I was like, no, that link is huge. So something you could do is you could still copy that link, then hop on over to the Google, and you could just type in URL shortener. The first option works. Any of those options probably work. Go ahead and paste that bonkers long link in there and ask it to shorten it for you. And then kaboom. That's a lot more manageable. So we're just going to copy that link. And then when I go in here to my flex offerings, I'm going to put my descriptions, and then underneath that I'm going to say link and paste that link in here. So it's a nice short link as opposed to an insane crazy one, and then save what I have done. So what this means is that when a student signs up for my flex, they'll see in my description that this link is here. They will copy, they will paste that link. Pasting that link will then ask them to join the team. They can just pop right in there. They don't have to become members of the class. They sign right in, and then they are able to see that channel that says flex time meeting. Important thing, be sure before flex time that you start a meeting, because much like with breakout rooms, they can't start it. So this means that when they're in here and they click on their channel, they will see, once it connects, here we go, they'll see this and they'll just know, aha, I just have to click join and I'm there. So this is how I set up my flex time meeting. You don't have to do a different URL or a different flex or a different team or a different channel for every single one. Just reuse the same dang thing. Save yourself some sanity, and that way you're only sharing one link with them the entire time. All right, hope this helps. Have a good weekend.